Good afternoon, everyone. It's Jay from the Cooling and Plumbing Company, and this is Plumbing 101. If you own a home that's older than 1970s, chances are you've got some really ugly pipe underground. If you're buying a home and it's prior 1970s, definitely have the sewer inspect to make sure that it's not collapsed or there isn't any issues underground. And then also bank on having to do what we're doing here today, which is saw cutting all the concrete, trenching everything up inside the house, and replacing all the pipe. This right here is a destroyed pipe that we pulled out of this house, so you can see how destroyed it is. All of the piping in this house was pretty much collapsed and they weren't able to use their sewers. This is the old diameter of piping for sinks and washing machines, which isn't a lot, and that's why washing machines and sinks back up all the time. Your everyday average Joe plumber is going to plumb the kitchen sink and the laundry in 2-inch. We don't do that. We plumb our laundry and our kitchen sinks in 3-inch so that you can't clog those pipes. You won't be calling me at Christmas or Thanksgiving because you plugged your drains. Check this out.